Hello viewers, welcome back to you all, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how can you fix your WhatsApp status problem. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you're facing any problem on your WhatsApp status, so how can you solve it? In this tutorial I'm going to show you that step by step. So first you need to launch on your WhatsApp application, and after that you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option. Then you get a option settings. So just go to settings and then go to your accounts option, and now you need to go privacy, and after that you need to go here. You can see status, so just select it, and then you need to select my contacts, then done it. And after that you need to scroll down, and then you need to go your Google Play Store, and after go to your Google Play Store, then search for WhatsApp, and then you need to check out that your WhatsApp Messenger is updated or not. Here you can see my WhatsApp Messenger is not updated, so you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger. After that you need to less back, and then what should you do? Just open your phone settings, and after that you need to search for apps or apps management option, but my phone have apps option. There you can see, so just open this apps, and then you need to go manage apps, and after that you need to search for WhatsApp. So there you can see this is WhatsApp, so just open it, and then you need to clear all data. After clear all data, then go to permission, and after go to permission you need to allow everything. You need to allow everything like that. After that you need to less back, and then you can open your WhatsApp, and then there you can see this is your WhatsApp. And now I hope your WhatsApp status problem is solved now. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you solve your WhatsApp, and I hope if you watching carefully your WhatsApp status problem is solved successfully. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.